roll so slow. How can I roll when we sing low?
Thank you very much. We have time for one more song here, and we're going to make it a sing-along song. Yes, we are. If I find it, it would be great. But anyhow, while I'm looking for that, I want to also mention that we are the Buffalo Bluegrass Youth Ensemble, and we meet at Wayside Presbyterian Church over in Hamburg, over on Amsdale Road at Route 5, second and fourth Tuesday of the month. And if you look us up, we're looking for more members. If you have children or nieces and nephews that play this kind of music, they play violins, violas, cellos, guitars, anything, we'd love to have them in our group with us. It's an open invitation. Our website is buffalobluegrass.com, and we also have a place on Facebook that is the Buffalo Bluegrass Youth Ensemble on Facebook. So please look for us, and let's get some more people involved in this. This last one is a sing-along, and we're going to yell, y'all come, and you guys have to yell it back. Let's practice that one time. These guys are going to say, y'all come, and you have to yell back, y'all come. Ready? Here we go. Y'all come!
Y'all come!
Oh, let's do it again. That works good. Y'all come!
Y'all come!
Starts just like that. One, two, three.
Y'all come! Y'all come! Y'all come!
Kin folks are coming, they're coming by the dozen, they're bringing everything from soup to hay. Then right after dinner, they ain't looking any thinner, and you still hear them all kind of say, y'all come,
y'all come,
y'all come,
y'all come.
Walk out and see us now and then. Y'all come,
y'all come. Y'all come! Y'all come!
Come and see us now and then.
come. Y'all come. Y'all come. Y'all come.
Thank you to the sound man. Great job. Thank you very much. Stick around for the balloon guy. Am I right? Yep. Oh, yeah. You got a good seat. Keep it. Thank you very much, everybody.